Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 11 HOE Hall 1. Go to the instruction file. Assignment title is the EXP22 Excel Chapter 11 HOE Hall 1. We go to the instruction file. So question number 1 is start Excel, download, open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 11 HOE Hall 1. Created automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So our question number 2 is the first column contains the first and last name of the store manager to facilitate future sorting by the last name. You want to display the last name and the first name in the second column in a cell B2 store manager worksheet. Type the longer Gaston and use the flash fill to complete the pattern down column in the B2. Copy the title and go to the store manager worksheet in the cell B2. Go to the store manager in the cell B2. Go to the cell is B2 and paste the value. Press enter and use the flash fill to complete pattern down column B. Go to the home tab. Go to the editing group. Click flash fill. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is the worksheet contains the complete address in the third column. You will separate the street address, city, state and postal code into the individual column and select the range C2 to C11. Copy the range and paste the range. Press enter and convert the text column. Use the comma checkbox, delimiter and deselect the other delimiter. Apply the comma checkbox and other is a deselects. Go to the data tab. Go to the text to column. Click on next and select the comma and another is deselects and checkbox and deselect the other delimiter. Change the width column C is 25. Click on next. Click on finish and change the width of column C is 25. Select the column C, right click and column width is 25. Click OK and width of column D is 13. Right click and click width. Column width is 13. Click OK. So the question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is now you want to separate the states abbreviation and zip code. Select the range A2 to E11 and convert the text column. Deselect the comma delimiter and select the space delimiter. Do not import the first column in a cell F1. Apply the align right horizontal alignment. Copy the range A2 to E11 and paste the range, press enter button and convert the text to column. Deselect the comma delimiter and select the space. Go to the data tab, go to the text to column, click on next and convert the text. Deselect the comma delimiter and select the space. Select the space, deselect the comma, select the space and do not import the first column. Next, and do not import the first column. And F1, apply the align right and horizontal. Click on finish. And F1 is the apply align right. Apply a right line. Question number 4 is the complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is the state manager worksheet contain a list manager. You will combine the names using the text join function and display the state manager worksheet. Go to the state manager worksheet. In a cell D2, insert the text function to combine the names in the range A2 to C2 using the space delimiter and ignore the empty cell. Select the cell as combine name column, select the D2 and insert the text function to combine the range A2 to C2 using the space delimiter in the ignore empty cell. D2 and type is equal to type the text join function. Apply the inverted commas. Apply a comma and type the true, comma and type the A2 to C2. Close bracket, press enter button and copy the function to the range D3 to D5. Copy the function D3 to D5. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is to improve the readability of the names, you will convert the text upper and lower case. In the cell E2, insert the proper function for the text contained in the cell D2. Copy the function to the range E3 to E5. Insert the E2 is the proper function. Select the E2 is the proper function. Type is equal to type the proper function. Select the D2, close bracket, press enter button and copy the function to the range E3 to E5. Copy the range E3 to E5. Question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is you want to extract the area code from the phone number. In a cell H2, insert the left function to extract the first three characters from the phone number in the cell G2 and copy the function to the range H3 to H5. Insert the left function in cell H2, area code in the cell H2 and insert the left function phone number in the cell J2, copy the function H3 to H5. Type is equal to and type the left function. Select the cell G2, comma 3 close bracket, press enter button. Copy the function to the range H3 to H5. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is you will use the database worksheet for the next several steps. You will set up criteria and output range, enter the criteria and then apply the filter, display the database worksheet and copy the range A2 to E2 and use the keep source column with the paste option in a heading cell G2. Paste another copy the heading starting cell G9. Copy the range A2 to E2 and use the keep source column with the paste option in the cell heading G2. G heading keep source paste keep source column with is the paste in a G2 and paste another copy to the range in a cell G9 and paste another copy to the heading in a cell G9. Paste the value and type the I3 is the UT. Go to the I3, type is the UT, press enter and J3 is the date 11/2/2024. Go to the cell is J3, press enter button. J3 is the date. In a cell C2, advanced filter dialog box and apply the A2 to A4. Question number 8 is complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is in a cell N2 insert the dsum function from the range A2 to E52. Type the gross sales for the file and use the range EG2 to K3 criteria. In a cell N2 insert the dsum function is equal to and type the dsum function. In the range A2 to A52. Comma and type the inverted commas, type a gross sales commas, comma and select the range G2 to A3. G2 to K3 close bracket, press enter button. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is next you want to calculate the average sale for the store for the week ending 11 to 2024. In the cell N3, insert the daverage function using the same argument that you used for the dsum functions in step 9. In the cell N3 is the daverage function. Cell is N3. Insert the daverage function is equal to and type the daverage function. And select the ranges A2 to E52. Comma and type the inverted commas, type the gross sale. Inverted commas and select the ranges G2 to K3. G2 to K3, close bracket, press enter button. So question number 10 is complete.